the address kitchen, early morning sunlight streams through my window pane, clearing up the shadows and the spirit of the rain.
Okay, you guys, so I had to come back and let you know. Most people think just because I, you know, put two different salsa in my egg omelet and one of the pepper and the jalapeno pepper. It ain't even, you know what, you guys, it's not even really that hot, that spicy and stuff. And a lot of people who don't eat a lot of spicy food, I guarantee this would you would it just got that just a little. It ain't even, I don't even want to say spicy, you know, because it's not. But if you go by my recipe, and it will tell you, you know, a lot of people who do not can't tolerate spicy, but I guarantee you could you could tolerate this egg omelet. So I just want to classify that to all you guys who used to eat spicy, hot food. So I just want to classify that, okay? Yes, but yeah. So I just want to classify that because some people say, "Oh, well, she love spicy food." No, well, yes, I do. You know, but like I said, this people who um, can't tolerate a lot of spicy food, I guarantee you will like this, and that is what I'm drinking on. All right, ta-ta. I'm out of here. And you know what? I might make this my first entry. Yeah, to show you guys. Yep, I might make it my first one. Oops, sorry. And then I'll just go ahead, you know, tell you guys about this egg omelet and stuff. Trying to take a thumbnail, you guys. You can see the ingredient, you know, really good. I'm just gonna keep my fork there. And I'm just take a picture of it, the inside. Wow. And it is really good. I guarantee. All right, bye-bye. I'm out of here. Oh. I want to record this, you know. But anywho, this is all the ingredient in my omelet, okay? It's spam, broccoli. I dice up me an onion. I use 2 eggs. This is the type of cheese I kind of sprinkle inside of it in my omelet, and this is what I topped it with once I crack my eggs and stuff. So these is, if you see what's all in it, I'm just showing you the ingredient. And I use a tablespoon of this, yeah. So again, when you see that I already put my eggs and all my ingredient in it, so you want to pause this video and do it my way, you could be more happy to do it. I don't mind, okay? So I'm going ahead and screenshot it on different one. Okay. That is the 3, the broccoli, onion, and spam. With the screenshot this. Then I use 2 eggs with the pepper. That's the sauce I use. 2 eggs. 1 of pepper, 1 of these, not 2, just 1. I diced it up, and this is the 2 cheese I use, okay? Alrighty. So this is my morning breakfast. And let me show you guys. Because I wanted to record this. But I said, well, let me go ahead and, record it. Okay, so you guys, this is how it look. That's my egg at the bottom with the cheese. This kind of cheese. When I crack my eggs, I use this kind of cheese because I already put my the cheese with the mixture with all the ingredients. I use this with the mix. Okay, so this is, I just want to come back because you can see the egg and my topping on top of everything. Okay, alright, so I'm going to turn back on my fire. Okay, so I'm turn back on my fire. Because what I'm going to do, I'm going to fold it up. Let it get that a little heat. And so what I did, I just sprinkle, all my topping, on it. This is not even ready. You can tell when it's ready when the egg, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to pause my video to flip it. Well, halfway. Okay, so I flipped it, you see? I know this side. And when you have a lot of topping, sometimes they do that, that is kind of break up. But I think I did great. Yeah, kind of break up. But it's okay, But this is my morning breakfast. Then I'm going to flip it again. Just wait until it get a little browner on this. So it's a little light. I could eat it like this if I want to, but I choose not to. Just a little bit more brown. Okay, so see, that's exactly how I want my egg on. Yes. And I think what happens when you put a lot of topping in your omelet, it kind of, especially when you try to flip it and stuff, some of it's gonna come out, but this is perfect. But anywho, this is my breakfast, my egg omelet. Like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family to show them what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if this is your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below if you have any questions. Thumb this video up. Subscribe if you don't mind. I really appreciate it. And if this is your first time coming and watching my cooking channel, just make sure you guys subscribe, like, thumb this video as well. By that being said, you guys have a blessed day and be safe. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. And thanks again for all the subscribers who subscribe to my cooking channel. I really appreciate you guys and stuff. God bless you. And thank you for subscribing to my cooking channel. Boy, that's real pretty. Yes. My egg omelet with broccoli, spam, onion, sausage, and the 2 different cheese. That's it. All right. Again, I will see you guys in the next upload video. All right. Bye-bye.
Soul food, Mexican food, and comfort food for you. In Deirdre's kitchen, everyone blessed with a little bit of love and a whole lot of rest. Dear Lord, I'm grateful for the way that you provide.
And you guys, if you guys ever see this kind of container, I want to let you go. I like to keep these container to keep my food warm. Yes. So don't think I bought this egg omelet from a restaurant. I don't think so. Yes. So I just want to come back to show you guys that. See, that's what I got in it. The meat part, broccoli, the 2 sauces that I use. I use 2 eggs, 1 of this, diced onion, and these are 2. I just want to come back and let you guys know this egg omelet is coming from my kitchen. Alrighty, my morning breakfast. Yes, indeed. And excuse that, it just kind of fall apart, especially when you have a lot of topping, in your egg omelet. All right, bye-bye.
To my roots, my mom and dad, growing up in the South cooking. In the address kitchen, early morning sunlight streams through my window pane, clearing up the shadows and the spirit of the rain. It improves my mood and keeps my rhythm in line, giving me creativity and making me feel fine. I roll my head